Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'm going to show you around an absolute cracker that's just arrived with us in stock. Now this is a 2021 Cupra Formentor. This is powered with the 1.5 turbo petrol engine and is the automatic V2. So we found that this has been the most popular specification because it sets it apart with these lovely big wheels and also the full black leather interior. Now this model was one of the first of the Cupra models to stand on its own 2 feet and come into the market, and they wanted to set themselves as the sporty version of the Volkswagen Group, and I think now, 3 years on, they've achieved it. These are very, very popular, and you can see why. Lovely big media system, lots of modern features. So this incorporates things like a wireless phone charger and also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, again wirelessly, so you don't have to have cables traipsing around. Can also double up as a family car as well, so room for 5 with rear air conditioning outlets, a centre armrest if you're only carrying 4 of you, and ISOFIX fixings as well. This model also benefits from a reversing camera, which is great. A split floor in the rear boot, so if you want to have a boot that's pretty level, you can have it in this position, or if I just bring that back, you can drop the boot floor, which then makes the boot a little deeper, so gives you a natural stop. You can fold the seats forward just by pulling these little tags on each side, so it makes versatility a big, big plus. Stunning looking car with the full LED lighting, and what we found is when you have the car in the metallic black, it actually benefits because it shows the grey wheel arch protection mouldings off quite nicely. They link in and sort of showcase the car together really. There's your centre armrest, but also has an access hatch into the boot, and then when you get into the important bit, up in the cockpit, say you've got a fully adjustable steering column, automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers. You have what's called a digital dashboard as well, so that allows you to change the display in behind the steering wheel. A push button start, pair of USB-Cs in there as well, and this lovely big media screen. So you can run through the telephone, the DAB, personalise the lighting and things if you like. This also allows you to put the navigation screen in behind the steering wheel, and you get a real feel for the quality. Memory seats, they're also heated as well, so in weather that we've recently experienced, a major bonus. Now this car has only covered 20,400 miles, so it's just over 3 years old and is in lovely order. So if we can help you further, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching the video, hope you enjoyed it. Take care.